Now, here we have boy's steak. In France, it would be a côte de bœuf pour deux. And in France, well, directly translated, that means beef chop for two. And in France, they would saute this, sear it, and then roast it in the oven, serve it on a silver platter with vegetables all around, and maybe a merchant de vin sauce, merchant of wine sauce, or something like that. And then the maitre d', or captain, would slice it at the table and then plate it out. But here in America, this is simply called a cowboy, and it's eaten by one. So, but you could serve it in the French way, or you could. Some of the husbands just really like a big steak. Or you know what? This is also good for, is if you're having a client over to your house and you want to impress them. You throw a couple of these babies on the grill. The deal will get done. Flip. People are afraid to sear steaks. They only know how to grill. This is a perfect item. You would thaw, salt, pepper both sides, sear in a saute pan, finish in the oven. But we're going to get into all these techniques. Chef Michael will show you how to do all this stuff.